Every time you click, every time you give in, you're teaching your brain that real life isn't enough, that real connection isn't enough, that you aren't enough without that artificial rush. Think of your brain like a path through a forest. The first time you walk it, you're pushing through branches, stepping over roots. But walk that same path every single day, eventually it becomes a highway, smooth, easy, automatic. That's what's happening up there. You're carving highways to emptiness while the paths to genuine joy, real relationships, real accomplishment, real presence, those are growing over with weeds. And you feel it, don't you? The fog, the lack of motivation, the way you can't look people in the eye the same way anymore, the shame that sits in your chest like a stone. You tell yourself it's harmless, but your body knows better. Your brain knows better. Here's what they don't tell you. Your brain can't tell the difference between achieving something real and that fake dopamine hit. So when you choose the easy path, you're literally stealing motivation from your future self. Every time. You're robbing the person you're supposed to become.